If you've been in an accident and you're dealing with an insurance claim adjuster, there's one thing you need to understand right away. They are not on your side. Insurance companies are businesses, and their main goal is to make a profit. How do they do that? By paying out as little as possible on claims like yours. It's important to remember that the adjuster works for them, not for you. Here's how the game works. They may act friendly, seem concerned, and even promise to take care of everything for you. But the truth is, every conversation, every question they ask is designed to minimize your claim and protect the insurance company's bottom line. They might sound like they care, but make no mistake, they're trained to save their company money, not to get you what you deserve. Let me break down 5 tactics they often use. First, they will act like they are your best friend. Insurance adjusters are skilled at playing the role of a friendly, helpful ally after an accident. They may seem like they genuinely care about your well-being and want to help you get back on your feet as quickly as possible. You will hear them say things like, "We're here to take care of you," or "We just want to make sure everything goes smoothly." This friendliness, however, is a tactic designed to get you to let your guard down. While they may seem like your best friend during the claims process, their main goal is to protect their company's bottom line, not to look out for your best interests. Second, they'll try to get you to settle quickly. After an accident, you are vulnerable. They know this, and they'll offer you a settlement that might seem okay at first glance, but in reality, it's probably way less than what you may ultimately be entitled to. They are hoping that you will take it before you realize how much your medical bills, lost wages, and other expenses will actually cost you down the road. Third, they might try to get you to give a recorded statement. They'll frame it like it's routine, but what they're really doing is fishing for information they can use against you. Maybe you said you feel okay right after the accident when your adrenaline was running. Well, if your neck and back injuries start showing up later and get worse as time goes on, guess what? They will use that statement to argue your injuries aren't as serious as you claim. Fourth, some adjusters may give unsolicited medical advice, suggesting that you don't need certain treatments or that you have already recovered. Their goal is to reduce the compensation for your medical bills and ultimately weaken your pain and suffering claim, which is often tied to how much medical treatment you incur. Lastly, they might imply that hiring a lawyer will only complicate things or cost you more money, when in reality, having legal representation usually leads to a higher settlement and ensures your rights are protected. They'll often suggest that working directly with them will lead to a quicker, simpler resolution. The adjuster might even say something like, "We can handle this without involving lawyers," or "You'll end up losing more money paying legal fees." This tactic is designed to make you think that hiring a lawyer is unnecessary and could eat into your potential settlement, but the statistics show the truth is quite the opposite. Adjusters don't want you to hire a lawyer because they know an experienced attorney will advocate for your rights and push for a fair, often higher settlement. When you have legal representation, the insurance company loses the advantage of being able to control the conversation, and they can no longer rely on their usual tactics like lowball offers or manipulating your statements. The thing is, now you know that you cannot trust your injury claim adjuster, but you still may be thinking what it is you can do to beat these terrible insurance companies to get a fair resolution for your case. And if that sounds like you, I highly recommend that you watch this video about to pop up right here, where I reveal how you may be able to beat the worst insurance companies in your injury claim. Also, if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here for more helpful videos like this one. Lastly, if you've been injured in Kentucky, remember to